Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Pirjo and the summer has arrived, and with that this month's design team project using the Booktopia and Entomology kits, and it's collaboration between Nonstop Paper Crafts and Junk Journal Fix with Sunflower and Doors. So it's Suzanne and Mandy, and they both have made amazing kits, and both are very big kits. So there's a lot of pages, I think 26 pages each, and those are also for the month of June in their Etsy stores in discount with 25%. So if you like what you see now, then go and get you one. So I used an old book cover. I liked because there's some blue in the kit, especially from Mandy's kit. So I took this blue one. It has two signatures and the back is like this. In the front I used one cigarette card image, a frame from my stash, then this word entomology, and one post-it stamp, and this is from my stash. So let's go inside. In the front I've used paper from the kit, and the other side of the kit is in the back, and this is with a big pocket. In the pocket I put this little envelope with some paper for writing, as well as some ephemera to decorate this even more. And inside of the envelope it has these lovely butterflies. So this kit was really great to use, and it's exactly on time as all the butterflies and also insects are coming. Yesterday I had in my garden a special visitor, a stag beetle, Hirschkäfer in German. It's the biggest insect in Europe. It's about 8 to 10 centimeters, so it's about this big, over like 4 inches. So it was really lovely. In the Instagram I have a small video of that visitor. But let's stay with this journal. So then I made this page with the page from the this is from Suzanne's kit, and these I left open to put something. This is from Stamperia, a little piece, and this is also from Suzanne's. This is from Mandy's kit. Lovely. I love insects. They are so important for the nature, and yeah, you don't need to be afraid of this. These are just don't do you anything. You are much bigger than any of these insects. Lovely pages. This is from Mandy, or is it from, no, this is from Suzanne. Sorry if I mixed them up. There is also background paper to use. Lovely images. In the mid of the first signature I made some pockets. Put something in there. Another pocket. And here I made a pocket with using some vintage wallpaper. Then I sewn in all these little nice ephemera pieces. And behind, this is a book page from a German nature book. Oops, sorry. Today it's so warm. We have over 30 degrees, so it's really lovely day. Here I put one dragonfly, in Italian libellula. That's from something I got in a Happy Mail long time ago. This is a pocket, and I put one for my stash, one dragonfly, and this is from the kit. Here made a fabric pocket, and there's a little beetle there. And this is the other side of the page. I made the same thing. Leave this open so you can put something there. So the second signature, I used here this sign of the Entomology. This is from the kit, and from an English nature book, this piece from Apollo butterfly. And there is this from the insects, that's from the kit. This red one is from postage stamps from Vietnam. And whoops, and here is lot of place for small ephemera. So these are pieces from the kit. Some from the Italian book, Occhio di Pavone. Sorry, my Italian, I don't speak Italian. Butterflies, and a lot of more butterflies, and all the rest pieces of the kit can use to decorate even more. And these are all butterflies or bees. So from the kit, these pages are so lovely just as they are, and there is still space for writing, for notes. Also has some botanical images. Here I made a corner pocket using a postcard. That's the from Maria Sibylla Merian from Amsterdam. She lived in 16th, beginning of 1700s. That's that. Then a page from a nature book showing some butterflies, piece of lace. Here again I shown this label here and another label there, and it's in the pocket. And here just a little fabric pocket with a little label, and it's also, no it's not, it's a pocket in this direction. One more pocket here, and here I did some embossing, made this page. It looks like the bees when they make their homes. Lovely. Here made a corner pocket with this lovely vintage fabric, booked a little bit from the book page, and it has pocket here and pocket there. Oh, lovely pages. This is the other one, the small ephemera to put in there. Both kits have a lot of small things to add, so it's really fun to work with. And in this here I made just this box label, and this is the end, and there I put the week 1 challenge. There's always challenges for every week. I made these field notes. It's a little bee, that's from my stash, this little one, and just little things around there. And in the last page inside we have another, so it has pockets also. And in the last page we have another field note, little booklet. This is just from some packaging. Just to put some notes about things you like. And what is there? There are more ephemera from the kids. So that was the fun make for this month. Maybe I do some small things too. And here you can see the other side of the page. Lovely, really lovely. And for these here, I've done these little things. That was the challenge for the week number 2. Actually, it was a challenge to make like with bottle caps or with this, buttons, but I only had this one, so I chose these 2. And for that, to make that, I used a stamp. I stamped it, cut this out, put it there, and put some glossy accent on it, and then I will put holes on here, and then we have nice tangles there. That's the idea for that. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like and subscribe to my channel if you are not already, and that would be wonderful. I would appreciate it a lot. And thanks you for watching, and wishing you all a lovely crafty day, and do something you really love. Bye till next video.